go ahead and cover the Washington, D.C. metro real estate market for you guys for this week. This is the data as of June 15th. So something interesting going on in the market right this second. Does seem to be shifting a little bit from a seller's to a buyer's market. You'll notice, decent amount of showing still, not too bad there. Things going under contract. It is taking a lot longer these days, almost a month to sell your home. We've been seeing 6-7 days for a long time here. Um, Prices are still looking pretty strong. And then there are starting to be a decent bit more that are starting to have price drops. But if we do look at a little more detail at showings compared to previous 5 years, we are at relatively all-time lows here on new showings. So that is a very good indicator of buyer demand out there. Less showings just means there's less buyers that are looking at homes. They do also obviously track the purchase contracts as well. Obviously, the less purchase contracts, the less buyers that are actually really, really serious. We are close to all-time lows here, but not as bad as it was the last couple of years. Another big one, obviously, the time to contract. This is basically days on market. We are seeing quite a peak. This is the highest it's been in the last 5 years. So definitely properties are sitting out there a little bit longer. In terms of new listings hitting the market, it's not too bad compared to previous years. Kind of sitting right in the middle there. So nothing too troublesome or worrisome there. And then, like I mentioned, prices are still pretty strong, still hitting all-time records. I do personally anticipate this to start coming down and become more in line with the last couple of years. And then this one is what has me the most intrigued or potentially worried for the sellers out there. If you look at the active listings on the market, we are at all-time highs for the last 4 years here. So definitely a lot more competition out there in terms of properties on the market. And then, like I mentioned earlier, less buyers out there looking for homes. So the market is starting to shift a good bit for you here. But I want to keep this short and sweet. But if you have any questions or want to dig in the numbers with me, feel free to reach out.